Today we shall start a new topic, namely resistance thermometer. Or it can be referred to as resistance temperature detector. Abbreviated RTD. Okay, now what is the function of RTD? Okay, as this name suggests, this is a particular kind of thermometer. What is the function of thermometer? We all are aware of the fact, the use of thermometer. Okay, now this RTD is used to measure the temperature difference over some range. Okay, now what is the basic principle behind this? Any metal has positive temperature coefficient. That means, at first I write positive temperature coefficient. Of resistance. What does it means? Actually, anything in this world has resistance. Okay, small or large. Now, any metal has also resistance before the conduction of current. Now, if we increase the temperature of any metal, what will be there? This resistance value will be increased. That means, that's why we can conclude that any metal has positive temperature coefficient of resistance. That means its resistance value will be increased with rising temperature. Okay, that means there is a linear relation. There is a linear relation between temperature and resistance of a particular metal. Then what is the linearity what is the relation between temperature and resistance for a metal? This is a linear relation. That means if you increase the temperature, its resistance value will be increased. And what is the relation? What is the mathematical equation behind it? First I will grab the board. The relation is RT is equals to R0 into 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square plus gamma t cube plus so on, say omega t to the power n. Now I shall discuss about this relation. Okay, point it out.